In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView DOM. First, open TradingView in a desktop browser or the web app and load any chart you like. At the top right of the platform, you'll see the Trading Panel button. Click that to open the broker connection area. From the list of available brokers, choose Paper Trading and then click Connect. This links your chart to a paper account with virtual funds, so you can safely simulate orders without risking real money. Once connected, you'll notice your paper account name and balance displayed inside the trading panel. That confirmation means you're ready to place practice trades. Now let's open the DOM. After you've connected to paper trading, look for the trade option in the trading panel along the bottom toolbar and click it. Inside this trade panel, you'll see two tabs, Order and DOM. Select the DOM tab to open the depth of market view. The DOM shows a live price ladder with buy interest on the left and sell interest on the right, along with the current trading price centered in the ladder. It's designed for quick, precise order entry and gives you a clear snapshot of liquidity and price levels in real time. To place a market order, use the buttons labeled Buy MKT or Sell NKT. Clicking Buy MKT will immediately execute a buy at the best available price, and clicking Sell MKT will do the same for a sell. In paper trading, you'll see the result reflected immediately in your simulated balance or positions, helping you experience how a market order fills in fast-changing conditions. To place a limit order, simply click a specific price level on the DOM ladder. Clicking on the left side places a buy limit. Clicking on the right side places a sell limit. A limit order will rest at that price, waiting for the market to trade to your chosen level. This is useful when you want to control the price at which you enter, rather than taking the current market price. To place a stop order, hold the Control key on Windows or the CMD key on a Mac, and then click the price level on the ladder where you want the stop to trigger. A stop order activates when the market reaches that level, which can help you manage risk or enter on momentum as price moves. If you don't see the DOM, double-check that you're connected to paper trading and that you're in the trade panel. That's all there is to it. Connect to paper trading, open the DOM, and use market, limit, and stop orders directly from the ladder to practice your execution with confidence.